Let's learn colors one by one. Colors are so much fun. Let's learn colors, come along. Sing with me this color song. Red, 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 like an apple bright. Yeah. Orange, 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 such a happy sight. No. Yellow, 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 like the shining sun. Green, 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 grass to jump and run. Yay! Colors, colors, all around. Look at the colors that we found. Sing them loud, sing them clear. Colors make the world so dear. Blue, 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 like the sky so high. Yeah. Purple, purple, grapes nearby. No. Pink, 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 flowers bloom and sway. Jerome Brown, Teddy loves to play. Yeah. Hey, gray, gray, elephant big and tall. Black, 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 cat runs in the hall. White, 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 snowflakes fall. Rainbow colors, we love them all. Silver like a shining star. Gold like a crown, you're a star. Aqua blue like ocean waves. Colors make us dance and play. Yay! We learned 15 colors bright. Morning, noon, and every night. Clap your hands, you did it right. 15 colors shining bright.